This is a pretty cool truck stop. Got lots of parking up and around. You get around to the fuel island. Got a lot of parking. Down this way, back there, is paid parking. It's like $15 a night. We got fried chicken and butter chicken, showers. I don't know how much the showers are. I guess some butter chicken for $15. Kind of high, but I think that's the beef area. Pick up the trash. We got a lot of you guys picking this up constantly. I'll show you here in a minute. You got the typical Wendy's out front. How much is the fuel, but I'll go get the name over here. You got the steakhouse across the street. You got the typical Bojangles and Taco Bell, and also down the street you got the what's it called? The malls there that have the discount malls, all the food courts and all the different the stores there, the discount stores, Nike and Health and whatever those malls are called. Yeah, Big Charlie's Plaza. It's probably like 10 minutes from the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. And, we got a lot on this strip. We're only like 2.5 miles from Walmart. And there's clothing stores. There's all a lot of stuff here. If you're in the area, check it out. Alright, here's the outlet. What I was saying, here's the outlet mall. Part of it, here's all the foods, Moe's, Coke, fantastic. Faux 79. Nude pizza. It's only like, what is it? Half a mile down the road from that truck stop. Smashers Burgers. There's a donut shop in here, man. I want to call the donut stand. Place store I got ever since I was a little kid. I love donuts. I take my paper out money and go buy some donuts at the store. Fill a full bag up full of them. Oh yeah, Duck Donuts. Yeah, this is a food court. And we'll go check out down here. The outlet mall. Yeah, I just wanted to show you real quick. Yeah, it's typical outlet mall. All the stores that you can think of. Might be truck parking. Looks like there's a truck parking over there. Maybe one or two could sneak in there. Maybe. Gotta go in here and get some track pants. I like these outlet malls. Are they really cheaper than the normal when you go to the mall? Let's find out. Alright, my little trip to the outlet mall. And that stuff is just expensive as the regular stuff. That's crazy. $70 for a pair of track pants at Nike. I guess it's just because all the stores are there. Yeah, nice. Bumpers are messed up. Woo. Yeah. Nice place to chillax, I guess. It's pretty safe here. Keep it clean. Sleeping trucks. Yeah, we should be able to get out of here tomorrow. Load's supposed to be there around 11 o'clock, so probably it's not very far, but we get some fuel and so be out of here. But yeah, pretty cool truck stop. Thanks for watching.